Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to delete your business profile on Justdial. Start by opening the web browser on your computer or phone. In the address bar, type the official website for Justdial and press enter. When you are signed in, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile picture or profile icon. Tap on this profile picture to open the account menu. A small drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account. From this menu, locate and open the Settings section. Inside the Settings area, look for the Help option. Tap on Help to open the support and assistance page for your account. On the Help page, you will see a list of support topics and account management options. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Profile Deactivation. Select this option to continue with the process. After opening Profile Deactivation, the system will show you an option to delete your account. Tap on the Delete Account button. The platform will now ask you to confirm that you want to permanently remove your business profile. Once you confirm the deletion request, the system will send a verification code to your registered login method. This code may be sent to your phone number or your email address. Open your messages or email, find the verification code, and return to the website. Enter the code in the verification field and submit it. After the code is verified, your business account and profile on Justdial will be deleted. Thanks for watching.